Hey everybody, it's Mike here. Welcome back. Well, we are in 3DCoat and we're going to do another model. Actually, we're going to do another sculpt, right? It's going to be a hard surface sculpt, if that's a thing, right? We're going to be creating another bracket, but we're going to step it up a notch to make it slightly more complex, right? Okay, so we have the voxel sculpting room. What we're going to do is we're going to create a cube and we're going to make sure we're in orthographic mode, so this mode right here, and I'm just going to kind of pre-shape that a little bit. I think this should be about right. We're going to click on apply, and then what we're going to do is we're going to align it like this. I'm going to hit the space bar, give it some resolution, and give it some more resolution, and give it some more resolution. We're all good there, and then we're going to go and find our cutoff tool. So we're going to go and look for it, cutoff tool right here, and I'm going to go up here, make sure I got the second rectangle, the one that I'm going to be using, and actually maybe not, maybe I'll be using this one right here. Yeah, that's better. So I'm going to use this one. I'm going to start up here, and I'm going to click and then click to about here. Make sure I'm going straight. Then we're going to go to about there, and then we're going to go to about there, up and over. Okay, so what does this look like? If we move it around, it looks something like this. All right. Now, next up, what I want to do is I want to get rid of that section in the middle there, right? So I'm going to go and align it like this. Make sure it's aligned like this, yeah. Then I'm going to go and add a new primitive. So we're going to hit the space bar. We'll go add a primitive. We'll add a cube, which is perfect. And we're going to take that cube and we're going to add it in that corner. Let's go back a little bit, like this and like this. There you have it. And then we're going to switch views like so. And let's see how far we need to go there. That looks fine by me. That's a good view as well. All right, and then we're going to go up to subtract and hit apply. Alrighty, now let's see what we got. All right, so now we're starting to get our bracket shape. Okay, now what I want is for a number of slots to be cut into the metal, right? So you can adjust it when you're using this as a bracket, right? So we're going to go and move it like so. First I want to have holes to mount it. Let's see, we'll do that here. We'll hit the S key for symmetry. We'll move this out of the way. Let's see what I want. I want X and I want Y. There you have it. Let's see, cut off. We're going to go and get our circle right here. We've got symmetry on. We're going to drag that circle, hold down the space bar. That's where I want it. You got 4 holes going on here. Let's check the results. That looks good. Then I want a number of slots in here, and I can do that from the same view. And the way to do that is to go in here, take the second rectangle, but go back in and give this an edge radius. It's already set to 10, so that should be fine. And what we're going to do is we're going to go in here and create that slot something like this. Hold down the control key, the space bar, hold down the space bar and do something like so. That looks okay. Cool. we're gonna have a look from the top view. Of course, we want to have some cuts here as well, right? And I only need, let's see, what symmetry do I need here? I only need the X for this, right? So we're gonna go and grab another circle. We're gonna drag that here, hold on the space bar. There you have it. Then we're gonna go and grab this guy again with the radius already in here. And let's see, do I want more? Yeah, I want more symmetry here. I want this one, right? X and Z. Move this out of the way. We're gonna go in here and I'm just gonna put something in here like this, and then we'll get 4 of them. There you have it, right? Okay. So yeah, it's another bracket. It's slightly more complicated than the last one, but nevertheless, it's great practice, right? It gives you the opportunity to yeah, be creative and make cool things, right? So yeah, that's it from me. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. As always, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. Well, thanks for watching, and before you go, please hit that MH button to subscribe, okay? See you guys next time. Bye.